Hey everyone, hi. Thanks for coming back to my channel. And this is Sydney, or just Sid. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys what you can do to make a little bit of money here and there. And there's the site called Slice the Pie, and where you do reviews of different categories such as fashion, music, movie trailers, TV trailers. You just review different areas of whatever category you like to pick. So when I did the movie trailers, I had I believe I was getting 7 cents, and now that I did the what did I do? Oh, I did the branding and I was getting 1 cent, and then I went to the music and I was getting 3 cents per music. So just each of the trailers usually take about 30 seconds, and then it'll take you about 30 seconds to or maybe a minute to really review it. It's really not, it's a small box of review, and then it may be some questions with a drop down, and you just make a choice from the question that they ask. So this is the beginning, like when this is the top, and let's see, let's say we go to right here. So Slice the Pie is the largest paid review site on the internet. You earn cash for every review you leave. Your feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots more goes directly to help artists, record labels, and brands make decisions. Your feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots more goes directly to help artists, okay, well that's the same thing they just said. Okay, so they're just gonna have that going all the way down. And down here they tell you how many reviews been submitted and how many dollars that people have earned. So far they paid out $3,923,653. So it may not sound a lot, but let's say you go in succession and do the 30-minute trailer reviews at 7 cents. It adds up if you do that over an hour, and it only takes you about a minute. And let's say you take a little break, it adds up per hour. And it may even be more than some jobs, especially the minimum wage jobs. So let me go into here into review and show you what it's a little like. I'm not going to go into any specifics because we're not allowed to show you which particular brands are on here. So I'm going to go over here to the review. My computer's a little slow because I have a lot of open tabs. Okay, come on, slow computer. So see right here, it's for commercials. And let's say it's not going to show a commercial, but I'm going to click on here. It's probably going to just take me to the thing. So, it's going to take me to a commercial. No, I don't want that. Okay, so I'm not going to click on it because it's proprietary. Anyways, while the commercial goes, then you have to go up and down on how you like it, and then once that finishes, then it's going to have a review at the end of that. So let's go back to review to get out of that. So I'm not going to go into branding because it's going to bring up the exact logo. And this was, I didn't do commercials yet, so I'm not sure what it's paying. This one was paying 1 cent. This one is paying 3 cents. So this is what it's going to look like. It's not going to play the music. So So you have to click play, and you see each track's like 3 minutes. So that's why I like doing the trailers, because the trailers is only like 30 seconds. And then you have to, say what you like about, well, you not like, but give a review on the melody, whether it was smooth or harsh. And then it goes like this: funky, gentle, happy. So you give it all the little attributes. Then let's go back to review. And this is this is if you want any category, and it'll just bring up. But all these categories are not static. Like, you may come in here and branding not be there, but fashion is on there. Commercials may not be there, but movie trailers may be there. So it's dynamic. It's never the same. So like I said, if you just want to make a quick buck, this is a good thing. And it also gives you things. I mean, it could be tiring. So, I only got 23 cents, but this is just one of the things I'm going to show you how to make a quick buck fast and easy. Okay, guys, so as you can see up here, it says refer a friend and earn great rewards for both of you. So what I'm going to do is give you a referral code, and you guys can go ahead and join my referral code so that you and I can get some rewards. And once you join, then you also can refer others. So let's see. So I'm gonna go back to, no, I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna go back to the beginning. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna get you guys the referral code. Go ahead and copy this down when you sign up, and happy money getting. Remember to like, subscribe, and let other people know. Sharing is caring. Share with your friends. Bye bye. See you next time.